Good morning. So today is the weekend, which means I'm officially not working, but I have to catch up. Every weekend I have to catch up on everything I didn't do in my personal life. So we're gonna shoot a bunch of content so that I can be ready for Instagram in the next couple of weeks. And then we're also gonna clean the house and just organize everything, because so what originally happened was we weren't sure who was gonna have what room, and so some of my parents' stuff is still in this room and some of my stuff is still in other rooms. So we're gonna try to fix that today. This is the look. It's good enough for today. Let's go. So I am shooting a super cool campaign that I'm working with CVS for, which is honestly so cool. Like, I am at CVS almost every single day, so the fact that they want to work with me is unreal. But I have some other products that we're gonna feature. I organize them in here. Anytime I do a campaign, I have to like clean the entire space that you take a picture in, because you know, the reality is that it's like messy. There's like a bunch of stuff, so I always move all that. Sometimes I do have people take pictures for me, and other time I just self-timer it, because you know, you don't always have someone to help you. So you gotta be strong, you gotta be independent, do your own thing. You can get one of these off Amazon and you can take your own photos. Okay, they're not bad. I like this one. Now I'm gonna just take some product shots. Normally I would shoot with my G7X, the one that I'm filming with, but the quality of the photos that come out of this new iPhone that I got are just so good. I'm really hungry, so maybe we'll make some breakfast. There wasn't really any like breakfast food. Let me see if we have some like oatmeal. We do. Wait, we only have one left. This is my favorite oatmeal that I get from Trader Joe's. It's called Oats and Flax, but we've got one last pack left. Let's make that. I just realized that you guys have never seen this house before, so I will give you guys a mini house tour once I clean the place. Okay, let me show you what Buddy is up to. This is his morning routine. Look at this guy. What you doing? Is this your morning routine? Hi, bud. Is it okay if I give a house tour? No. Mom. Mama. Okay, Mom. Hey, please. She always does this. I swear to God, she'll be so mad if I give the house tour, and she's gonna watch my YouTube video and be like, you never told me that we were gonna do a house tour, like I should have cleaned before. But everything is very preliminary. Like, we just kind of put stuff places and we still need to figure it out. So here's the first initial mini house tour. I'm going to show you a couple of sections of the house. So over here we have the formal dining area, but we don't really. So we made this into like kind of like an office space. Only problem is that all of our tables are different colors. This is white and this is a wood, and this is like dark wood. My God. Anyways, we need to figure out a situation because like everything is not matching. And then if you move over here, this is my favorite part of the entire house. Oh my goodness. So our kitchen is it's unreal, you guys. So we got these really gorgeous bar stools. The tags are still on them because we just got them. And then over here, we have a bunch of different cabinets and this fridge. The fridge is really messy. Let's actually not look in there. This is our pantry. I don't know if I'm even allowed to show you guys this because it's so messy. Over here, we have the microwave and the oven. And I think we counted at some point how many cabinets there are. Now I can't remember. It's like 20 something. If you come over here, we do have a nice fake grapes, totally a vibe. I don't know, we call this our dining table because we just bring those bar stools over here and we can all eat together. Over here we have Lucky's playpen. I'll show you my parents' rooms because they would be mad. What is this? My mom just did this. Oh my God. I love how it's 12 different colors. That's something we need to fix. But here is the initial setup of my room. Still, obviously, a lot of stuff that needs to be organized, but now we have a bed, which is amazing. I'm actually going to Hawaii in 2 days, so love that Hawaii vibe. We also have a nice office desk. This is my favorite piece ever. So this is a rolling movable desk, and you can adjust the height so that you can move it up and down. I actually got it when I worked on a collab with the Container Store like 2 years back. These tables are I think $300. Now onto the bathroom. Here is a sneak peek of the shirt that I spilled a bunch of green tea on yesterday, and so I'm trying to clean that. Here is the shower over here. Here are the gorgeous sinks. There are 2 sinks, but only one of me, so that's great for my non-existent husband that doesn't live here. This walk-in closet is a dream, but also a hot mess. I know a lot of you guys will be curious about who paid for the house, who is paying for the house, etc. So I thought I'd clarify those questions here. This is my parents' house, so they did pay for the house in its entirety. I did not pay for the house, but I'm doing my fair share as a good daughter by paying, I am paying like rent or so like monthly expenses. So any of the utility fees, the property tax fees, like all that kind of stuff, I will be covering on a month-to-month basis. Shout out to my parents for buying this house, and hopefully me paying the, monthly expenses is going to take a little bit of the burden off their hands as well. They already have a really nice house, but when I was a kid, and even now, like one of my biggest dreams is to buy my parents a house. And so I don't know if they really need me to buy them a house. Like, this is a great house, but they wouldn't want a fancy car or, other fancy things. They'd be like, oh, you should save that money. And so a house is like really what I can give to them. And so hopefully, like, 10 years from now, you guys will be watching a video of me buying them a house. I can smell lunch. It smells so good, but I'm actually back in my pajamas because, I don't know, it's just more comfy to be in pajamas. For lunch, we've got some dumplings and then also some egg rolls. Okay, we're about to shoot the next thing, also in my own bathroom. So I have everything set up, but I just want to take the time here to tell you guys, if you want to do something, please, please, please go do it. Don't wait for someone to help you, or you don't need a boyfriend or a best friend or even your parents or whoever it is to help you and support you. Like, you have the power to do anything you want to do as long as you put your mind to it. And so I always thought I wouldn't be able to take these pictures on my own. Like, how am I supposed to get high quality photos by myself? I need someone's help, but you really don't. Like, I promise you there is a way around everything, and if you want it bad enough, you can do it. There's your motivational pep talk for today. Like, I felt like for so long in my life, I was waiting for people to support me, people to help me, and I had so many excuses as to why I couldn't do the things that I wanted to do or create the content that I wanted to create. Like, ever since I was in high school, I always I would do like my morning routine. I would like brush my teeth, and I would like pretend to I would hear like a voiceover voice in my head, because I was like, oh, like this is what I do if I were to actually film a YouTube video. But I was so scared of other people's opinions or what other people thought that I never did make YouTube videos until this year. I finally sat down and I was like, you know what, like, why does it matter what other people think of me? Like, this is something that I want to do. This is something that I want to share. And as long as I'm happy with the result, that's what's most important. So whether you are deciding to go back to school, or maybe you want to drop out of school, or whatever it is, just know that nobody can make that decision for you. You have to make that decision yourself, and you stand by that decision and you work hard to pursue whatever your dreams are, and don't ever give up.